mean, we've got the taco chair, the fancy fan, the shirt.
Show me your fan. Turn around. I can't see it, right? Oh, there you go.
So what's happening today?
We are going to Hollywood Studios. Yay! It's 8 o'clock and we're leaving from 8 to 8:15. I want to leave now.
We'll say 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
We're getting there a little differently today, though. We are actually driving to the park. We've never
taking the truck today.
We've never driven to a park in all the many years we've been here in our own vehicle. We've never parked in a parking lot.
True. All
will be new today. We're hoping that this gets us in faster than taking Disney transportation, but we'll see. Update.
I got the stretch. I'm Julio. I got the stretch.
We got to Hollywood Studios, the parking lot, not even to the parking lot, at 8:25, and they turned everyone around and said we have to come back at 9. But surely, like, our feeling is we should be able to get to the gate at 9, like, so we're thinking we're gonna try to loop back around and get back in the parking lot a little bit before 9 and see if they let us in. So we're hoping that we waited them out. We were kind of around the corner a smidge, but it's also like super foggy and it's hard to see anything. So we're hoping that we've waited them out and they're letting people in, but we don't really know.
I see that.
We made it. Well, we made it to the parking gates. So I feel good about our spot. We're only number 4. I feel real good about this. How you feel, babe?
It's gonna be a mad dash. I'm gonna be cutting people off.
No throwing elbows. How you guys feel?
I'm throwing doors.
I'm fine. I'm concerned slightly.
Concerned slightly. We're good. I feel really good about this.
So fun. What is it?
We're here. We're all lining up for Mickey and Minnie's. We'll see how far behind we are. We had a few delays. Look, Brooklyn's Magic Band wasn't working for some reason. And then my backpack gets called every time.
Your glasses.
They said it was how I was holding it.
What?
Who knows? Lesson learned. Have you guys ever played musical chairs? And when you're a kid, you like wait till the person in front of you moves to like get to the next chair real quick? That's kind of what it's like with these please wait here markers. Everyone's just slowly moving up like a set of musical chairs. A game, not a set. We're in the theater. So what are we doing?
About to get on to Mickey and Minnie's roller coaster ride. What's it called?
Runaway Railway.
Runaway Railway. And then, but the dilemma is we are right in the middle of getting the Rise of Resistance Fast Pass thing.
Boarding group.
Boarding group.
I'm letting him talk.
Hey, this is what you get.
Now, instead of watching the cartoon, you get to step into it.
I actually got really scared there for a second. I was afraid they were gonna shut it down.
We're going in the cartoon. I think that used to play something, but now it doesn't.
And be sure to keep an eye on the DeLorean Worldwide. Okay. Thanks. possibly go wrong?
Oh my God!
One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now.
Right around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
No, why are they not everyone selected? No. No, I think we missed it. Okay. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Amazing. The best. I mean, so fun. We had approximately 3 minutes to get out and join a boarding group. And for some reason, our parties, it didn't have Justin attached to our party. So we didn't get a boarding group, but we can still try again at 2 o'clock. So fingers crossed that we can do it then. We'll see.
Andy's backyard, but I'm so nervous. I'm just so good at public speaking. Wait. I can do it. How was that?
Still in line.
Needed with all your parts and pieces.
What'd you think, girls? We decided it was time for lunch.
They provide for you.
Oh yeah.
It's by the what you order.
Time for a little Star Tours.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the fun.
Is that one of my relationships now? Good to see you.
As I told you, I just received word that the captain is having some sort of technical problem. And that's why I'm the systems analyst and you are the astromech. The captain isn't on board yet. You never can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot. Attention, all transport.
Hi, Fancy Nancy. Hello.
It's Fancy Nancy.
Yay! update. We had lunch. We did Star Tours. We went and talked with guest services and found out that when Justin tapped in this morning, something was wrong with his magic band. And so that's why it was showing him not in our boarding group. But they said it should be fixed. And if it isn't, when we go to get a boarding group, just get the 3 of us and then they can add him on later. So fingers crossed that we can still get it. Right now we're going back to Toy Story Mania. It's only a 25-minute wait. So also Star Tours said 55, but it was 15.
Chills, thrills, games that test your skills. It's all right here at Toy Story Midway Mania.
Don't do the practice. It's a waste of arm strength.
Hey, partners! Welcome to the practice game!
Go ahead, who's going?
Watch those pies!
We won! It's been a tight game.
Observemos los resultados.
They split us up. Daddy's not here. Lost Brooklyn. We can have more.
Passion fruit, lemon, cappuccino.
We did it. Well, we think we did it. Backup boarding group. 100. What'd you say?
Let's not get too excited yet.
It says backup. But at least we have a number. I feel happy about a number.
There's Michael again.
So now we're on our way to Tower of Terror. Go down. Air conditioning. I just want to stand right here.
To your right only. Hold on to any loose luggage that you may have. Any larger items can be stowed on the ground in front of you. Please remember to keep your face covers on the entire time, and I will call you in one row at a time.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Air conditioning. Yay. See if it shows anyone else. Now I'm curious.
Am I here? I'm not Enzo, so just in time.
That threw me off.
So weird.
I was like, why does it say my name? This is weird. It's quiet. They're not talking.
No, it was enough. We missed him.
welcome to the Mickey Shorts Theater.
Time for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. I don't know, what's that line for? They're only allowing one party per shop, and then we had to be allowed into this area. They had to count us in, so it's pretty spacious, but there's no popcorn. Wah wah. You can make your own droid here. I've never actually been in this room because it's usually too busy and crowded. So cool. Oh, it's so cool looking. Gonna try to squeeze in Smugglers Run before our boarding pass. What do you think of it?
Good.
So good.
Your video?
That's not good, okay? Now listen to me. We need to find every open cargo container.
Initiating full power-up sequence.
I need flight crews to transport this body.
Yes. Excuse me. I'm in the front. It's our turn to be the pilots.
Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you are doing that precious task.
We have no engineer. How'd we do?
You were a little unsteady.
No, that's not true.
I did too.
I was perfectly steady. It was the ship. You ready, Bailey? Let's go. Here we go. Find the back of the line. We'll show them our boarding pass on our magic band. We made it. We're in line. It seemed like kind of a close call, but we got. When we were getting to the front, they were like, our number was 100, and it said boarding 99 to 108 or 1 something. So we felt like we almost missed it, but we don't know. They probably would have let us on anyways. There were some people that were ahead of us that were in line, and their boarding number was 114, and they made them get out. So, tip for you, don't get in line until your boarding number is actually called, or they will kick you out of line. Then you stood there for no reason.
Your
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Butterfly, report.
Black Liga, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be...
Vivas.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
Oh my.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
Front one.
We're being rescued. We're being rescued.
So much stress.
That was scary for a minute.
Colors blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target.
What'd you think?
That was crazy. Freaky deaky.
Hey, okay.
It was one of those rides you like so much is happening, you have no idea what's happening.
How do you describe that?
That's great. Way to go.
That was...
Bye, Hollywood Studios. It's been real. We'll see you next time.